Hello, and welcome to our Webs.io tutorials. Webs.io is the leading provider of big web data that helps solution providers easily turn web data into customer value. In this video, we'll show you how to use our eCommerce Reviews API, and more specifically, how to view product data you've collected. Before we go ahead, it's important to note that today, we'll only show you the second step you'll need to take to start accessing product and reviews data. We cover the entire process, from search to extraction, in other separate videos in case you're looking for a different step. So let's continue with the second step, how to view product data you've collected. Please note that for this tutorial, we will be using Postman to help visualize how to view the data. Let's start by visiting the Get Products endpoint URL. Next, you'll need to enter your token to access the endpoint. Once you've entered your token, click here to send your request. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of the collected product documents that are corresponding to your account. You can also search for products or specific data by querying the endpoint by our searchable fields. For example, you can use the method field to query results related to a specific search method ID as follows. To see which fields are searchable, please visit our documentation. After running your query, if you want to go back and see all of your collected product data again, simply remove the query. Remember, each page can show up to 100 results. If you want to learn more about pagination, visit our documentation page within the link within the comment section below. This is it. You've completed the Get Product Data step. Ready for the next step? Check out our video on how to activate products to collect review data to learn how to activate reviews retrieval for specific products. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.